guys, I'm back with the gel polish mini. So before we get started, I do have on one coat of UNT peel off base coat for easy removal of the gel polish that I'm about to apply. And so once that dried thoroughly, usually I give it about maybe 5 to 10 minutes, I then go in with Nail Reserves the base and apply that to all 5 nails and cure for 30 seconds. And so the color that I will be using, this is a single color mani. The color is Divide, which is part of the You Got This Babe collection. It is a nice, vibrant, neon yellow. Well, you could say yellow or green. But guys, yeah, just hang out with me while I do this gel polish application. Am applying a second coat. Depending upon how much you apply with the first coat, this could be a single color mani. So with Nail Reserve, they do have a VIP membership program that's $29 a month. So you pay $29 a month and you get a $29 credit. Or if you don't want that to do the $29 a month, you can select the pay as you go option upon checkout. And I do have a discount code that you can use that saves you 50% off. And just as an FYI, the $29 a month is does allow you to purchase the gel polishes at a discounted rate. After I cured the second coat, I'm going in with some water decals. These are decals by, I think it's Onick or Anick, I'm not sure, A-N-N-I-C-K. This is a shop on Etsy. And this came, this was a free sample, of a foil sample that came in with one of my purchases. And so this is my first time using these decals. And they were kind of holographic, that captured the color of the gel polish, and so I cut those out as close to the decal as possible. I'm removing excess water from the decal after I give it a minute or so, and then I'm just using a nail stamper, picking up each individual decal and placing that on the nail. Now I did not apply an additional coat of base to adhere the decals. I'm just using the inhibition layer from curing the gel polish color itself. And so once I get those to where I want them to be, any excess, especially with my ring finger, I'm going to go in with a nail brush and acetone to remove any overage on the nail or the skin. And then I'm going to apply a layer of top coat and cure for 30 seconds. Off camera, I did use some rhinestone glue and I applied some cuticle rhinestones, and here's the finished look. Hope you guys like it. So please like this video, leave a comment to let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free. So I appreciate you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week. Thank you again for watching.